Nocieption. There are 4 steps to nocieption. The first step is transduction. Transduction occurs as a painful stimuli is translated into a nerve impulse. This occurs at the end of a sensory nerve ending. Next, we have transmission. Transmission occurs as the nerve impulse moves from the sensory nerve ending to the up this sensory nerve fibers to the central nervous system. Next, we have modulation. Modulation occurs as the sensory nerve impulse moves up the central nervous system. This can be, at this point, the nerve impulse will move along the central nerve system, and it will move between synapses, and as it moves along synapses, especially between the dorsal horns, chronic or severe pain can either, especially in cases of chronic or severe pain, the pain can be modulated or transmitted to the brain to either be felt more severe or less severe. The last step is perception. Perception of pain occurs at the cerebral cortex, and at the cerebral cortex, the pain can either be felt as more severe or less severe, depending on how the process occurs with modulation. The nerve impulse is not only felt at the central nervous system, it can also be felt at the autonomic nerve system, because it's where the flight or fight occurs, and animals and people can be very anxious when feeling pain, and it can definitely have a big play in our moods and our mental facilities. It definitely can make us more anxious, or it can make us more depressed if we're in chronic pain.